Here we are at Fong's Pizza in downtown Des Moines, Iowa. It's Chinese meets, well, I guess Italian. Let's check it out. This is Fong's. There's a couple seating areas there, I think 4 of them. And a big one right there. There's the window. We're just at the bar right now. There's the pizzas, there's the bar, there's the place. Quite small really, but yeah, I heard it's really nice. A bit of mold on the ceiling, but we don't need to look at that. So yeah, let's check it out. See how it tastes. Okay. Apparently, this is the one to go for. Apparently. I don't know, I like the look of the Thai chicken. Yeah, they do sell other stuff, as you can see. I like the big fong, look, big fong. And cocktails. So here you are, $14. You got wonton chips, cheese. 15, okay. That must be the Rangoon. And then what, green onion with sweet chili sauce. Right there. Well, there you have it. It's what, 10 inches? Yeah, 10 inches.
So what do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, same. It's good. It's really good, but I don't know. It doesn't really add anything to pizza or crab rangoons, I don't think. I think both of those things individually taste at least as good as this. This is just really cheesy.
Yeah.
And wonton-y.
It's a $10 pizza.
For $17.
But I think the 7 is for the
Atmosphere.
location and gimmick.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's alright. You know, if you're curious, give it a go. But there's so many wonton chips on here that get soggy.
You gotta eat it.
You either like it or you don't, but they're so soggy. Loads of them.
Just eat it quickly.
This is what you're left with. It just looks like a cheese pizza, except it's got tiny bits of crab in there. I think they mix it in with the cheese.
It is very cheesy.
So when they say crab rangoon base, it's more like just the cheese mixed with the rangoon. The base is still bread.
I didn't notice any crab. It's cheesy to me.
But yeah, not much crab, huh?